deep dive today, let's understand why the world's financial safety net might be closer to tearing than we realize. This week, the Financial Stability Board issued a blunt warning to the world's finance ministers and central bankers. The global financial system is increasingly vulnerable to shocks. It said asset valuations are elevated, debt levels are soaring, and agreed global reforms haven't been fully implemented, leaving major cracks in the system. In short, the safety nets are still being built while the pressure is already rising, indicating a critical period for global financial stability. Since the 2008 crisis, the Financial Stability Board and its member jurisdictions set binding reforms. These included higher capital for banks, better oversight of non-bank financial institutions, and enhanced global coordination. But now, the latest Financial Stability Board report says those promises haven't been fully delivered, creating significant implementation gaps. Meanwhile, markets have soared, asset valuations are well above fundamentals, and new risks like AI, stablecoins, and non-bank finance are growing fast. Here are the major warning lights flashing today. First, asset valuations. Models show equity prices very high relative to earnings, increasing the risk of a disorderly correction in the market. Second, non-bank finance and FX markets. The International Monetary Fund warns FX and bond markets won't escape contagion from stress elsewhere. Third, implementation gaps. The FSB says many jurisdictions still lack the agreed G20 frameworks, especially in cross-border payments, AR oversight, and crypto asset regulation. For India, the risk may be less than a banking crisis and more ripple effects. Rapid FI exits, rupee volatility, and export hits if global demand drops. Emerging markets are especially exposed when global liquidity tightens and credit dries up, making them vulnerable to external shocks. For individual investors, keep in mind that global shocks will hit your portfolio, pension, and currency whether you're watching or not. The FSB's warning isn't abstract. It's central to your financial future and requires careful consideration.